Okay. Good afternoon, students. So now it is your time for EVS class. Okay. Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. So I welcome you once again to our online class. Okay. Now it is the EVS subject now. As you have completed the syllabus for term 2, so we will do a revision work now. Okay. I have given you the chapters. I have told you the chapters in the previous class, which chapters are there in the term 2. So once again I will repeat the thing. Okay. I will write here term 2 syllabus. Chapters are chapter number 10, chapter number 11, chapter number 12, chapter number 13, chapter 14, chapter 15, chapter 16, chapter 17, chapter 20 and 22. These are the chapters for term 2 for EVS subject. Okay. Chapter 10, that is Walls Tale Stories. Everyone, those who have not noted down, you please note it down now. Chapter number 10, Walls Tale Stories. Number 11, Sunita in Space. Number 12, What If It Finishes. Number 13, A Shelter So High. 14, When the Earth Shook. Number 15, Blow Hot, Blow Cold. Number 16, Who Will Do This Work. Chapter 17, Across the Wall. Chapter 20, Whose Forest. And chapter 22, On the Move Again. Okay. Now we will do a revision work. Okay, everybody will do the work in your EVS copy. Okay, question is, choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. Okay, Chandrajit, please write it down. Number 1, an instrument used to hear the heartbeats and breathing of a person is. Now you will get the option. An instrument used to hear the heartbeats and breathing of a person is. Option A, microscope. Number B, stethoscope. Number C, telescope. And number D, drum. DRUM, drum. So an instrument used to hear the heartbeats and breathing of a person is stethoscope. Number B option. Yes, very good. Stethoscope is the correct answer. Now number 2. The woodcutter picked up two dash and made a chulha. The woodcutter picked up two dash and made a chulha. Your options are glasses, B, cups, C, stones, and D, none of these or none. So the woodcutter picked up two. Yes, it will be stones. Option C will be the correct answer. Okay. Number 3. On 26th January 2001, and dash struck the Kutch area on 26 January 2001 and dash struck the Kutch area. Your options are earthquake, number B, volcano, number C, flood, number D, drought. Number D, drought. Number A option earthquake, number B volcano, number C flood, number D drought. So what happened on 26 January 2001? An earthquake. It will be earthquake. Option A will be the correct one. Okay. Yes, I think you have completed number 1, so I will rub number 1. Number 4. In a few dash blank. The village was flat. The village was flat on the ground. Options are hours, number B seconds, number C minutes, number D none of these. So in a few dash the village was flat on the ground. Few minutes, yes, minutes is the correct answer. Now I will erase number 2. Number 5. Even today, our society is categorized on the basis of dash. Your options are religion, caste, number B, number C gods and goddess, and D none. So even today our society is categorized on the basis of caste. No, it is caste, not none of these, caste. Number B option is the correct one. Okay, one more we will do. All of you, the options I have given here: number 5 religion, number A religion, number B caste, number C gods and goddesses, number D none of these. Now I will erase number 3. Okay, one more. 6. In Gandhiji's ashram, everyone had to do various types of dash. Your options are work, Number B, singing. Number C, dancing. And D, none of these. So in Gandhiji's ashram, everyone had to do various types of, is it walk, is it singing, is it dancing, is it none of these? It is walk. Option A is the correct one. Okay, very good. All of you have given the correct answer. Yes, Nilabjo, Kaustav. Okay, so that's all for today's class, my dear children. Okay, this way you will practice at home from the workbook, EVS workbook. It will be helpful for you. Okay, so thank you everyone and goodbye.